don't never stop if you wanna be on top, bitch.
Low waist, fat ass bitch, tap in. Tap, tap, tap in. Diamonds dancing on your neck, nigga, tap in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So jumping right into the video, I'm going to take my Salon 30 volume developer and my Salon Care quick wipe bleach to lighten up the hair. So with this, I'm going to take a bowl and I'm just going to pour in way more developer than I pour in bleach, just because I want the consistency to be more runny when it comes to hair, because if I made the bleach any thicker, this process would have took me way longer. So a quick little tip when it comes to bleaching hair, just use way more developer just so you can spread the product on the hair way more. So this is a pretty long process, but I sped through it just so you guys didn't have to watch the whole thing. But I'm just going to take the bleach, I'm going to make sure I get it over each strand, and then I'm going to go in at the end, part out all the hair to make sure I covered it, and then cover it with aluminum foil. I'm just going to speed through this process so you can see everything, and I'm going to come right back before the install. Like I mentioned before, after I finished covering all the hair with bleach, I'm just going to go in and part out all the hair over the frontal to make sure I got all the hair, because I don't want to do this process more than once, honestly. And since I'm doing red hair, I don't have to lighten it that much, so I definitely don't want to bleach it twice. So after I do all that, I'm just going to cover it with aluminum foil. And I think I left this on for 30 minutes or 20 minutes. Yeah, I think I did 30 minutes, so yeah. Alright, so when it comes to watercoloring, I heard that you don't have to necessarily use boiling hot water. I've seen people just use hot water, but for some reason I feel like boiling hot water penetrates the hair way more. So I'm going to go in with my rich amber and intense red for Adore dyes, and then I'm going to fill up the water with the dye, and then also to get all the product out, I refill it up with water, shake it up, and then pour it back out. So after I do all this, I'm just going to stir it all up. And since the water is so hot, I'm just going to dip it in, but I try not to touch it with my hands that much. So after I dip it in, you're just going to see me let the hair sit probably for like 5 minutes, not that long, but I just want to make sure the hair is fully covered. So after I let it sit for 5 minutes, I just wash it out and then I condition it. And then after I condition it, I'm just going to let it dry before the install. So although I plucked the wig off of her head, I just went in and plucked it a little bit more just to match it up with her hairline and make it look more natural. Quick little tip, if you notice when I'm laying down the frontal, I'm pressing the lace in. So when it comes to like laying the frontal down, I noticed that using the back end of my comb to press in the lace makes it that much more natural, and it makes the melt even more better. So do that. After I finish with the install process, I like to go with my elastic band to melt everything thoroughly. So whatever parts I miss, honestly, I feel like the elastic band makes up for that. So after everything, I put that on just to make sure that everything is melted like you see. So now you're going to see me peeling back the lace so I can go in and cut it. So basically around the perimeter, I'm just going to cut in zigzag motions until I cut all of the lace off. Now, stepping into the final steps, you're just going to see me flat ironing the hair. I use Bio Silk to silk out all of my presses, so that's what I'm using. And then I forgot what flat iron I have, but this flat iron is great. So I think you'll only get my flat iron at Ulta. And sorry if I'm smacking my lips a lot, but yeah, I feel like you can get this flat iron at Ulta, so definitely check that out. But yeah, she just wanted a regular silk press, so that's what we did. And after that, she's going to be done with the install. Period. And that is it, guys. So after everything, this is how the look came out. So you just see me going around and do all my final touches, but basically this is how it looked. So I just make sure I go over my wax tape to get all of her flyaways to make sure nothing gets out of place. And then I'm just going to finish her up and then we're done. So yes, guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I'm going to be trying to put out more videos because I've been recording a lot of hair videos lately, but I've also been trying to step out the box with the styles that I do. So make sure you just stay tuned and support my channel. And thank you for watching. Bye.